morning, everybody. It's November 15th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse of the crypto market, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 22 from yesterday's 24. Bitcoin dominance is 38.2%. 24-hour volume is 71 billion. The overall market cap is 845 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, all things considered, and of course I'm gonna knock on wood, but Bitcoin price action has been quite a champ through all this mayhem. I think what's saving the market calamity is the surge of self-custody that has happened and hopefully continues to happen, because that's the main reason why I actually got into Bitcoin in the first place. Rid myself of the greedy pie-eating hands of the money-changing banksters. And although that first transfer can be quite daunting, did I double-check the copy-paste code? Well, kind of, but it was a little long. I more or less eyeballed it real proper-like, but she looked pretty good. Did I send it to the right address, or did I just send it into oblivion? And then, there it is, safe and sound. Your cold wallet, and I tell you, there's not a lot of better feelings than knowing your Bitcoin is off the exchanges and safe with you. I can't recommend it enough. It's never been more important than right now. Now, there is a double-edged sword to the mass exodus into self-custody, because that on one hand increases the price due to lack of selling. It also opens up an opportunity for whales to move the price around in the exchanges like a cat batting a dead mouse around. It's like shooting the puck from one end of the ice to the other. There's no one there to stop the puck, so to speak. That's the reason why I'm kind of expecting some more volatility moving forward. And a look at the 4-hour chart sees we managed to get up and above the 20 moving average, even closing a couple candles to boot. But it's not the most aggressive display of power. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence that we'll remain above it, and all the while the 50 moving average barreling down the boulevard at us with a little more headwinds. Simply put, I'm keeping my papers on two levels. First, my heartbreakingly optimistic upside target of 18.2. That's our re-entry point back into our channel and out of this recent dip. If we can get up there and close some candles, I'll feel a little more confident. My downside target, further hijinks and price calamity, is this 15.8-ish bottom we rubbed up against a couple times. If we break that, she may be a free fall down to some new lows. Now, speaking of downsides, if you've ever got your fingers caught in a moose jaw widowmaker, is that a data alert? Yes, it is. A notice of some hidden bearish divergence on both the MACD and the RSI as price action has made lower lows, while the MACD and the RSI has made higher lows, signaling a lowish probability of reversal. Now over on the ding-dong, we're staring down the barrel of a textbook bear flag if I've ever seen one. With the price playout probability of 10.2-ish, we could only watch that level of 15.8 to hold. If and I say if she goes back down to her test. Now, there was a time in my life when someone would pour out 30 Jägermeister shooters, light them on fire, of course, and... Is that another dad alert? Yes, it is. Wow. 2 already, and she's a dark one. Yes, the 20 has crossed bearish over the 50. Last time she crossed like this, back in August, you can see we never got back up above her. In fact, despite a couple of heartbreaking attempts, we saw almost 20% dumpage down, which could see us test that 12.9 range. Why you gots to? Quick look at the Wookiee reminds me of when I worked at the old strap factory making straps for elementary school principals. Is that another dad alert? Wow, that's 3-in-1 video, and well, this one's a positive one. We actually have some bullish divergence as price action has made lower lows, while the MACD has creeped up with some higher lows. Of course, this is the weekly chart and took weeks to form, so it'll probably take weeks to play out. So let's recap, shall we? The 4-hour chart is keeping its papers on an upside target of 18.2, with its panic button trigger finger on the 15.8-ish retest. The ding-dong, well, she's boasting a killer bear flag, hoping that 15.8 level will save it from breaking down with a bearish kicker of the 20 crossing the 50, which saw a 20% loss the last time it happened. And the Wookiee has a ray of future sunshine carving out some bullish divergence, which can potentially play out in weeks to come. Safety belts and helmets, my friends. You heard the bear market gets real, well. How real she feeling now? And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Sing it with me now. Around the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Make sure you like and subscribe.